Hello, book lovers and English learners. It is with absolute pleasure that I celebrate today the first anniversary of launching Lily's Book Club. This past year has been such a learning curve in terms of business strategy and personal growth. I would have never imagined that launching this book club would bring so much joy into my life. Being on this new adventure allowed me to make new friends and meet fellow book lovers virtually and in person. A year ago, I had the opportunity to attend a boot camp for uh, educators online, hosted by the lovely Michelle. And this event has been a turning point that opened the doors to a whole new world for me. It allowed me to look at myself in a completely different way, and I gained so much more confidence. And most importantly, I learned and still learning how to fulfill my dreams one step at a time. Although frightening at first, stepping into this entrepreneurial adventure has been the best decision I've ever made, and I can't wait to see what will come next. I'm enjoying every minute of it, and this message is simply to say to you, thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for subscribing to the newsletter. Thank you for following me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you for subscribing to the YouTube channel. And finally, thank you for following the Spotify podcast. I can't express how grateful I am for the support you are showing me. And for this reason, I'm giving away a 10% discount on all the workshops that I have hosted so far. So now you just need to head over to Liddy's Book Club workshop store and be quick because this discount is only available until tomorrow midnight. And I hope you will enjoy these workshop sessions. And thank you again for being part of Liddy's Book Club community. Bye.